everyone! Today I will discuss about inscribed angles and inscribed polygons. Objectives: describe an inscribed angle and an inscribed polygon. Prove theorems on inscribed angles and inscribed polygons. And solve problems on inscribed angles and inscribed polygons. Okay, so an inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain the endpoints of an arc. It is an angle whose vertex lies on the circle and whose sides are chords of a circle. Okay, so when we say inscribed angle, the vertex is on a circle and whose sides contain the endpoints of an arc. So its vertex is not on the center of the circle but on the circle or in any sides of the circle. Next, a polygon is inscribed in a circle if all of its vertices are on the circle, while a circle is said to be circumscribed about the polygon. So, pag sinabing circumscribe, pinapalibutan ng circle yung polygon. Okay, so in this figure, we call this a circle C because the center is point C. So the center is named after its center. So this is circle C. So in circle C, angle PQT, angle PRT, and angle PST are all inscribed angles. So yung angle PQT, so saan dito yung angle PQT? So ito yung angle PQT in color blue. Then yung angle PRT in color green, angle PST in color red. So they are inscribed angles because the vertex of their angle is on the circle, not on the center, but on the circle or on any side of the circle. So, are all inscribed angles that intercept the same arc PT. So, they are intercepted by the same arc PT. So, ito yung arc PT ang nag-i-intercept sa tatlong inscribed angles na ito. Okay, so yung angle PCT naman ay ang tinatawag na central angle. So ito yung angle in color yellow. So ito yung central angle kasi yung center ay yung vertex ng angle PCT ay nasa center ng circle which is point C. So pag central angle, yung vertex ng ating angle ay nasa center ng circle. So, yun ang kaibahan ng inscribed at saka central angle. Okay, so theorems. Inscribed angle theorem. Right? So, an angle inscribed in a circle is half the measure of the central angle intercepting the same arc. So, yung angle daw, pag inscribed siya sa circle, yung measure niya ay half lamang ng ating central angle that intercepting the same arc. So, pag pariho yung arc na nag-intercept sa inscribe at saka sa central angle, yung inscribe ay half lamang ng measure ng ating central angle or ng ating intercepted arc. Next, the measure of an arc inscribed the measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the intercepted arc. So, pag meron tayong intercepted arc, so yung inscribed angle natin ay half pa rin sa measure ng ating intercepted arc. Next, angle in a semicircle theorem. Okay, so an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. So, why right angle? Because once yung inscribed angle natin, yung dalawang endpoints niya ay sa semicircle. So, pag semicircle kasi, yung arc natin ay 180 degrees. So, ibig sabihin, right angle siya kasi pag inscribed, that is only 90 degrees or half of the measure of a semicircle. So half of 180, that is 90 degrees. So that is a right angle. Next, inscribe quadrilateral theorem. Okay, so the opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. So yung opposite angles ng ating inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. So pag sinabing supplementary, the sum of the measures of their angles is 180 degrees. Okay, so in this circle, we have circle B because the center is point B. So, given circle B with inscribed angle DAC. So, ito yung inscribed angle DAC because the vertex A is on the circle. So, inscribed angle. So, ipuprove natin yung letter A, yung angle DAC daw ay equal sa 1/2 ng angle DBC. So, ito yung angle DAC daw ay equal sa 1/2 nitong angle DBC. Okay, prove natin. So, since yung angle DAC, so itong angle DAC natin ay inscribed angle and angle DBC naman ay central angle. So, therefore, yung angle DAC is 1/2 of the central angle DBC. Next, prove letter B. Angle DAC is 1/2 of arc DC. So, ito yung angle DAC daw ay 1/2 ng ating arc DC. Okay, so by inscribed angle theorem, since the measure of central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So, ang measure ng ating central angle, DBC, ay same lamang sa measure ng ating intercepted arc na arc DC. So, ito yung arc DC, saka yung central angle DBC, same measure. So, ibig sabihin, by substitution, yung angle DBC ay equal siya sa 1/2 ng arc. Yung angle DBC ay equal siya sa arc DC. So, therefore, yung angle DAC naman ay 1/2 ng arc DC. Next, so in circle O because the point is point O. So in circle O, angle A is 54 degrees. Find arc DC, angle DOC, and angle B. So, yung angle A daw, ito yung angle A, yung angle in red color. So, this is 54 degrees. So, find the arc DC, angle. So, find arc DC. Ito yung arc DC. Find angle DOC. So, angle DOC in color blue. This is the central angle because the vertex is on the center, and angle B. So, yung angle B naman ay ang angle in color red. So, the three angles, the angle DAC, angle DOC, and angle DBC or angle B are both intercepted. They are intercepted by the same arc, DC. So, isa lang yung arc na nag-i-intercept sa tatlong angles natin. Okay, let us find. So, by inscribed angle theorem, angle A is 1/2 of arc DC. So, let us find arc DC. So, by using the inscribed angle theorem, yung angle A, 1/2 lamang sa measure ng ating arc DC because angle A is an inscribed angle. So, half lamang siya sa measure ng intercepted arc or the arc that intercepts angle A. Okay? So, by substitution, yung angle A, so given na siya, that is 54 degrees, is equal to 1/2 of arc DC. So, para matanggal tong denominator, let us multiply 2 sa left at sa right side ng ating equation. So, multiplying by 2, we have 2 times 54, that is 108 degrees. Then, once na meron tayo ditong denominator at saka nag-multiply tayo ng 2 sa right side, pwede na natin itong makancel yung 2 dito at saka yung 2 sa right side na minultiply natin. So, cancel that. We have 1 times arc DC. So, we have arc DC. So, yung measure ng arc DC ay 108 degrees. So, twice siya sa ating inscribed angle na 54 degrees lamang. Next. Let us find angle DOC. So, angle DOC is intercepted by arc DC. So, according kanina sa theorem, yung central angle ay same lamang sa measure ng kanyang intercepted arc DC. Okay, let us find angle DOC. So, that is 108 degrees. Kasi, yung arc DC ay 108 degrees. So, same lang sila ng measure ng ating central angle DOC. So, therefore, angle DOC is also 108 degrees. Now, let us find angle B. So, let us find angle B. So, angle B is intercepted by arc DC. So, yung arc DC natin ay 108 degrees. And, yung angle B ay inscribed angle. So, ibig sabihin, yung angle B ay 1/2 ng ating arc DC. So, therefore, angle B is 1/2 of 108 degrees. So, angle B is 54 degrees. So, same lamang sila ng measure ng ating angle A kasi they are both inscribed angles that intercepted by an arc DC. So, they are both equal. They are 54 degrees. So, angle B is 54, same with angle A. Okay, next. So, this is circle O. The center is point O. Alright, so, given circle O, AB is a diameter. So, ito yung AB natin, yung line segment AB is a diameter. Find angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, and angle G. So, yung angle C, so pwede nating ma-name yung angle by its vertex. So, angle C, ito siya, yung color orange na angle. Then, angle D, ito naman yung color green. Angle E, ito yung color blue. Then, angle F, ito yung color red, then angle G, ito yung light blue. Alright, so let us find angle C, angle D, angle E, angle F, and angle G are inscribed angles in a semicircle. So, inscribed angles sila sa semicircle. So, pag sinabing inscribed angles in a semicircle, so the arc that intercept the inscribed angles measures 180 degrees. Kasi pag semicircle, 180 degrees itong arc. Then, pag they are inscribed in a semicircle, so, yung ating inscribed angles ay half sa ating intercepted arc. So, they are all right or deform right angle. So, ibig sabihin, yung kanilang measures ay 90 degrees. So, yung angle C ay 90 degrees. Yung angle D is also 90 degrees. Angle E is also 90 degrees. Angle F is also 90 degrees. Angle G is also 90 degrees. Okay, so in this figure, we have circle O. Right, so quadrilateral MATH or quadrilateral math is inscribed in circle O. Prove that angle M plus angle T is 180 degrees. Angle A and angle A plus angle H is 180 degrees. So by inscribed angle theorem, we have angle M is 1/2 of arc ATH. So, ito yung angle M. This is 1/2 of arc ATH because angle M is an inscribed angle. Next, and angle T. So, ito yung angle T. This is 1/2 of arc AMH. Okay, so again, angle T is an inscribed angle. So, angle M plus angle T is equal to 1/2 of arc ATH plus 1/2 of arc AMH. Okay, so angle M plus angle T is equal to, so 1/2 of arc ATH, that is 180 degrees. Yung arc ATH, this is 180 degrees kasi yung angle M, so this is a right angle because it is intercepted by a semicircle ATH, which is 180 degrees. So, 1/2 of 180 degrees plus yung angle T, same 1/2 of 180 degrees. Kasi yung angle T ay a right angle pa rin kasi it is intercepted by arc AMH, that is a semicircle. Okay, so angle M plus angle T is equal to 1/2 of 180 degrees, that is 90 degrees, plus another 1/2 of 180 degrees, that is 90 degrees. So angle M plus angle T is 180 degrees. Okay, so yung angle A saka yung angle H is also 180 degrees. Okay, kasi yung quadrilateral, yung buong quadrilateral measures 360 degrees. So, yung opposite angles, the sum of opposite angles A and H are 180 degrees, so they are supplementary. So, M and H is also 180 degrees. So, 180 plus 180, that is 360 degrees. Okay, so in this figure, we have circle O. So, because the center of the circle is point O. Okay, so ito yung ating central angle COA is intercepted by arc CDA. So, ito yung arc CDA natin ay 140 degrees. Right, so given circle O, find angle B, angle D, and angle DCO. So, ito yung i-find natin yung angle B, angle D, at saka yung angle DCO. Ito yung angle DCO natin. Right, so let us find angle B. So, angle B is an inscribed angle that is intercepted by arc CDA. So, pag inscribed angle siya, half lamang siya sa measure ng ating arc CDA. So, yung ating arc CDA ay 140 degrees. So, yung angle B ay half ng 140. So, that is 70 degrees. Okay, so yung angle B plus angle D is 180 degrees. By inscribed quadrilateral theorem, let us find angle D. Okay, let us find angle D. So, yung angle D at saka yung angle B ay opposite angles. So, supplementary yung kanilang angle. So, if angle B is 70 degrees, by substitution, we have plus angle D equals 180 degrees. So, their sum is 180 degrees because they form opposite angles. So, supplementary. The sum of the two angles is 180 degrees. Okay, let us find the measure of angle D. Alright, so yung 70 degrees, transpose 70 degrees to the right side. So, angle D equals 180 minus 70 degrees. So, angle D equals the difference of 180 and 70 degrees. So, that is 110 degrees. So, angle D is 110 degrees. Right, let us now find the measure of angle DCO. So, yung angle DCO, ito siya. So, angle C plus angle A equals 180 degrees. So, yung angle C naman at saka yung angle A form opposite angle. So, they are supplementary. So, yung itong part ng ating angle A, we have 60 degrees. Sa left side naman, we have 70 degrees. Sa angle C naman, sa left side, we have 30 degrees. So, let us find the measure of angle DCO. Right, so we have angle C, that is angle C plus angle A, we have 130 degrees because angle A 60 plus 70, so that is 130 degrees equals 180 degrees. Alright, so angle C, so 130, subtract natin yung 130 from 180, so we have equals 180 minus 130. So, a difference of 180 minus 130, that is 50 degrees. So, yung angle C natin ay 50 degrees. So, pag 50 degrees tong angle C, so yung sa left side ng part ng angle C ay 30 degrees, ibig sabihin yung 30 degrees, ima-minus natin sa 50 degrees. So, angle DCO, therefore, ay 50 minus 30. So, ito lang yung angle DCO, yung sa right side ng ating angle C, part ng angle C. So, angle DCO ay 20 degrees.